Welcome back to CIO Career Coach. This season, we're discussing the skills that successful CIOs are using to lead in the new era of IT. Today's episode, bringing a product management mindset to IT. But first, let's define what we mean by the new era of IT. For the last 30 years, IT's role has been to support or enable a company's business strategy. As such, companies used software to automate processes like payroll, finance, or procurement. But today, software and data are making their way into a company's products and services, so IT's role is changing. IT no longer stops at supporting business strategy, it often defines it. Think about it. Utility companies are putting sensors in people's homes to track usage. Car makers are using software to create a digital driving experience, and healthcare systems are using data for proactive wellness programs. When every company is becoming a technology company, management is populating the product development organization with software engineers, or they're asking IT to deliver revenue-generating products for the first time. Either way, the lines between IT and product are beginning to blur. So what does this mean for the CIO? With that line between IT and product dissolving, some companies are combining IT and product groups under one leader, often the CIO. Other companies are leaving IT and product in separate groups, but are creating cross-functional product teams staffed with people from product and IT. But regardless of the formal structure, IT is now officially in the business of product development. So CIOs need to build a product management culture in IT. But giving a traditional IT organization a product management mindset is a big job. Here's how some CIOs are approaching the challenge. 1. Turn IT teams into product teams. One major obstacle to giving IT a product management mindset is the long-held division within IT between operations, development, and delivery. Ish Sundaram, who is both CIO and EVP of Innovation at JetBlue, spent 18 months reorganizing IT into a structure in which one product owner is accountable for the total customer or employee experience of a technology solution. A product could be a customer-facing mobile app, or it could be JetBlue's Citrix environment. Either way, there is one product owner, and within each product team, members from the plan, build, and run functions. To quote Ish Sundaram, "We are now able to look at infrastructure and applications and data holistically through a product lens. All of the functions work together on delivering a great product customer experience. This is the new way my team has to think." 2. Bring IT and product together. When Barry Vanderveer became CIO of Asurion, a $6 billion high-tech company, IT and product were in different departments. Vanderveer found that the amount of translation that had to occur when one department handed off work to the other created major problems with product quality and delivery. To improve communication, he relocated the two teams' desks so that IT and product worked together. Having made real progress in getting product and IT to work well together, Vanderveer and his peers decided to bring them together into one department. To quote Vanderveer, "By bringing product together with technology, we are creating a new product-based mindset across both groups. Now, our technologists are all working toward the highest quality product." 3. Get close to the customer. Dan Ali, who leads technology for Elsevier, the global information solutions provider, is responsible for traditional IT and product development. To quote Ali, "With an ever-increasing percentage of Elsevier's revenue coming from online products, we have had to reinvent ourselves to compete with the world's best product companies." Ali found that his IT organization would often plan to build a great new solution, but because they were not talking directly to end users, they were not always clear on what problem they were trying to solve. But in a product-oriented organization, the customer is front and center. To quote Ali, "We bring customers into our ideation lab and test ideas with them before we build anything. When we truly understand before we even start what success looks like for our customers, we can build products that deliver tangible value. This is something you can't do in a vacuum. You have to get your customers involved. To sum up, how do you take IT professionals who for decades have been measured on their ability to manage their own piece of an implementation and get them to think about the bigger picture? How do you wipe away years of distrust between IT and product management and get them to work together as a team? When your business no longer merely runs on software, but in one way or another drives revenue from software, IT and product must begin to work as one. As usual, it all starts with you, the CIO. Next up, driving operational change.